In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how to set up a multi-pack discount for Altria scan data program. To begin, ensure that you have an app called Discount Scheduler installed on your Clover. And then we're going to click on Start here. So first we want to give it a name, right? And we can call it Multipack. We do want to indicate that it's a scan data qualified discount by selecting this checkbox here. And then we have to schedule it, but because it's an all the time thing, so what you want to do is click on the all day event and then click on recurring. And then in duration, put 24 hours, right? And have this thing starting exactly at midnight. Basically going on for 24 hours, repeating every 1 week on every week of the day. Another way to say this, always. And then we have the dollar amount, right? So let's say you're discounting $2, or if you're discounting 1, put 1. If you're discounting 50 cents, you put 50 cents. So whatever the amount that you're discounting, this is where it goes. It'll tell you that you cannot merge into the next day. You hit OK, and it'll allow you to proceed. Basically, the discount cuts off at the end of the day and does not bleed into the next day. Then you have to select that it's Altria, and you have to select that it's account funded, right? So account funded, it means that it's part of the scan data program, and you want to trigger not this one, but this one. And the difference being is trigger on all items after first. So let's say if people buy 2 items and then after that everything that they buy is discounted, that's the one. But if people buy increments of certain amounts and only those increments get discounted, then this is the way. So let's say that we're going to put 2 here, right? So that means that if they buy 2 packs, we're going to give them a discount. Let's go next. And then here we're selecting items. Unfortunately, my demo unit doesn't have tobacco items, but let me just grab this Coke here and my bike. All right, so this will be the 2 basically Marlboro, if you're doing this for Marlboro packs. All right, and now we have this discount turned on. There it is, and it's running. So now let's go to the register, and let me go ahead and delete whatever I have here. And I'm going to grab my Coke, and nothing is happening, as you can see. But then let me go ahead and add another Coke, and a discount got triggered. And if we add more, more is triggered. So this is one way. So you see how we just keep discounting in this order, and basically that's what multi-pack discount is. 4 packs $4, 6 packs $6. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. I'd like to go back here for a second and see what we see in our settings. All right, so this right here, like if I went to settings and none of this is relevant, but right there, the bottom one, discount duplication stacking settings. So, we can change the behavior of this app to allow double discounting of a single item or not. So right now it's configured to not allow. If you say allow, it's going to ask you to always allow or prompt me to select. So by default, none of this needs to be touched, right? So only if you are asking yourself a question, how do I allow double discounting, do you want to go into setting and mess with it. Otherwise, just do what I've showed you, as far as getting this set up, and that would be a qualified discount that would then get reported all the way to Altria. Thanks.